What is the meaning of hyena, children? It is a type of wild dog. ये ऐसा डॉग है जो कि वाइल्ड है. ओके. So hyena was very sad. He lost his love. Hyena was sad because he had lost his love. hyena बहुत उदास था क्योंकि वो अपना हंसी कहीं खो दिया था. So hyena went to giraffe. Please help me find my laugh, giraffe, he said. Now children, hyena, he went to giraffe. Hyena went to giraffe and he told that giraffe, please help me to find my laugh. I have lost it. हाइना जो है जिराफ के पास पहुंचता है और कहता है कि हाइना मेरी हंसी खो गई है, प्लीज उसको जरा ढूंढ दो कि कहाँ है. Giraffe lifted her long neck and looked around the tree tops. Now children, what giraffe did? Giraffe, he lifted his long neck. You know that giraffe has a long neck. जिराफ हैज अ लॉन्ग नेक. जिराफ के पास बहुत लंबा नेक होता है. वो अपने लंबे नेक को उठाया. ही लिफ्टेड एंड ही लुक्ड हियर एंड देयर. वो इधर उधर जो है उसको देखा, इधर उधर देखा, ट्री टॉप्स के अराउंड. जिराफ अपना लंबा नेक उठाया और पेड़ के ऊपर जो है चारों तरफ देखा. Giraffe lifted her long neck and looked around the tree tops. I can't hear a laugh up here, hyena, she said. Now children, giraffe told that I can't hear your laugh. Giraffe is telling that I can't hear your laugh. Giraffe कहता है हम तुम्हारा हंसी नहीं सुन रहे हैं इधर. hyena, she said. Okay. Then hyena saw hippo swimming in the lake. Now children, after giraffe, after hyena came from giraffe, hyena, he went to hippo. It is an animal which is found in water. So he told hippo that please help me find my laugh. He is telling hippo that please help me to find my laugh. Hippo looked in the water. I can't hear a laugh down here, she said. Now children, hippo कहती है कि पानी में तुम्हारी कहीं भी हंसी हमको नहीं दिख रही है. I can't hear, हम नहीं सुन पा रहे हैं पानी में तुम्हारी हंसी को. I am unable to hear it, hyena. I am unable to hear. Hippo tells to hyena that I am unable to hear your laugh in the water. Hyena went to elephant next. Please help me find my laugh, elephant, he said. Now children, hyena, he went to elephant and told elephant that he has lost his laugh and will elephant help him in finding his laugh. So children, on this first page, that is page number 17, you have seen what you have read, that hyena was very sad. First he went to giraffe, then he went to hippo, then he went to elephant. That means three animals this hyena went to find his laugh. समझ में आ गया? हाइना को जो है, हाइना अपनी हंसी जो है वो खो दिया था. वो सबसे पहले अपनी हंसी ढूंढने किसके पास गया? जिराफ का लंबा नेक होता है, वो अपने लंबे नेक से पेड़ के ऊपर इधर उधर देखती है, लेकिन उसको हंसी सुनाई नहीं देता है। तो जिराफ जो है वो हाइना से कहती है कि तुम्हारा लाभ तो हमको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, तुम कहीं और जाके ढूंढो। Then hyena goes to hippo. After that hyena goes to hippo. उसके बाद hyena जो है हिप्पो के पास जाता है। He tells hippo to see his love, he has lost his love, to find his love. He tells hippo to find his love. Hyena was in the water. He looked in the water, but he didn't heard hyena's laugh. He didn't heard hyena's laugh. So he told hyena that I have not heard your laugh. Then hyena went to elephant. Then hyena went to elephant. He tells elephant that please find my love. Elephant, what he did? Come, we will study the next. Elephant flapped his big ears and listened carefully. I can't hear your laugh anywhere in the jungle, hyena. Now children, this hyena, he went to elephant and he asked that, have you heard my laugh? I have lost my laugh. Hyena flapped his big ears. Flapped means children फड़फड़ाना, अपने बड़े से काम को वो फड़फड़ाया. He flapped his big ears and listened carefully और चारों तरफ सुना. And he told hyena that I can't hear your laugh. हमको तुम्हारी laugh सुनाई नहीं दे रही. I can't find in this jungle. Finally, hyena went to monkey. After that, children, hyena went to monkey. Elephant, after coming back from elephant, hyena went to monkey. Finally, hyena went to monkey. Please help me find my laugh, monkey, he said. Now, children, here, hyena went to monkey and he told monkey that he has lost his laugh. Please help him find his laugh. How did you lose it? Hyena asked monkey, swinging from a branch. Now children, monkey, what he did when he listens that hyena is telling that he has lost his laugh, he asks hyena, how you have lost the laugh? तुम अपनी हंसी कैसे खो दिए हो? Do you know what is the work of the monkey? To swing from one branch to another branch. एक ब्रांच से दूसरे ब्रांच को स्विंग करना. तो मंकी जो है स्विंग करते हुए वो जो है वो पूछता है हाइना से, तुम अपनी लाभ कैसे खो दिए हो? When I laughed, everyone saw my big teeth. They got scared, said hyena. So they ran away. This made me sad. So my laugh disappeared. Now children, hyena जो monkey जो है पूछता है, तुम्हारी हंसी कैसे खो गई है? How you have lost your laugh? तो hyena कहता है कि when I laughed, जब हम हंसे थे, तो everyone saw my big teeth. जब हम हंसे थे, तो everyone saw my big teeth. जब हम हंसे थे, तो सभी ने मेरी बड़ी बड़ी दांतों को देख लिया. और जब बड़ी बड़ी दांतों को देख लिया तो वो लोग डर गए. डर के मारे वो लोग भाग गए। They got scared and ran away. Scared means डर गए. They got scared and they ran away. And I became sad. हमको देख के, मेरी हंसी को देख के बहुत लोग डर गए और वो लोग भाग गए। क्योंकि वो भाग गए तो मैं दुखी हो गया। I become sad. और इस तरह मेरी हंसी जो है वो चली गई। ओके? Then you are looking for it in the wrong places, said monkey. He jumped down from the tree and picked up a feather. Then he began to tickle hyena all over. Now children, monkey said, monkey was intelligent. He said, oh hyena, you are looking at the wrong place. तुम गलत जगह पे अपनी हंसी को ढूंढ रहे हो। रुको हम बताते हैं तुम्हारी हंसी कहाँ पे है। What he did children, he jumped from this tree. जिस ट्री पे वो बैठा था उससे वो कूद गया। And took a feather, एक चिड़िया का पंख जो जमीन पे गिरा था उसको क्या किया, वो उठा लिया। And began to tickle hyena. That means children वो feather को लेके हाइना के बॉडी पे ऐसे ऐसे टिकल करने लगा, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह को मूव करने लगा। दैट मीन्स उसको एक प्रकार की गुदगुदी देने लगा। अंडरस्टूड? Slowly hyena started to smile and then he let out a big loud laugh. He laughed and laughed until he was rolling around the ground. Now children, monkey, what he did? Monkey, he took a monkey children, what he did? He took a feather and he began to tickle around the hyena's body. Hyena smiled and then he started laughing and laughing and laughing. And while laughing, he started rolling on the ground. वो हंसते हंसते जमीन पे लोट-पोट हो गया hyena. Okay? Now come next. All the other animals heard hyena's laugh. They came running. Where do you find his laugh? They asked monkey. Now children, hyena started laughing, laughing, laughing. He started laughing a lot. इतना हंसने लगा that the animals who were present around the forest, they came to hyena. जो भी एनिमल्स जंगल में इर्द गिर्द मौजूद थे या फिर जो भी एनिमल्स से हाइना जो है अपनी हंसी के बारे में पूछा था, वो जो है सारे आ गए। एंड दे ऑल आस्क्ड मंकी, सभी लोग ने मंकी से पूछा, वेयर यू हैव फाउंड दिस लाफ, कहाँ से तुम ये हाइना का हंसी ढूंढ लाए, कहाँ से, वेयर डू यू फाइंड दिस लाफ? His laugh was inside him all the time. I just made him happy and it came out. Now children, monkey told that his laugh was inside him. Monkey बोला कि उसका laugh उसके अंदर ही था, मैं तो केवल उसको खुश किया। I made him happy, मैं उसको खुश किया और उसकी हंसी जो है वो बाहर आई। The other animals were happy to hear this. So they laughed and laughed so that their teeth showed too. Now children, rest animals, they too laugh. Rest animals भी हंसने लगे. They laughed so much, so much, so much that all the animals present there, their teeth can be seen. सारे एनिमल्स इतना हंसे, इतना हंसे, इतना हंसे कि सारे एनिमल्स के टीथ जो है बाहर दिखने लगे. ओके, I will never lose my laugh again, said Hyena happily. Now children, Hyena is telling that I will never lose my laugh again, and they lived happily. Okay children, Anshik, how was the story? Anshik?
Yes, ma'am.
Namni Singh? What is her name? Namami or
My name
Namani?
is Janice.
How was the story?
Yes, ma'am.
How was the story? Story कैसा था? How was the story?
Very nice.
Very nice. Okay. Now I am telling you the short summary of this story. Story को थोड़ा सा मैं उसको हम फिर से describe करते हैं. ठीक है? Hyena was very sad. Hyena was very sad. Why he was sad? Because he lost his laugh. Okay. So Hyena went to Giraffe for his lost laugh. Giraffe, you all know that giraffe has a long neck. So Giraffe, with the help of his long neck, he searched hyenas. He tried to hear hyenas laugh here and there. But here and there were children on the treetops. He tried to hear hyenas laugh, but he was unable to hear. So, Giraffe, he told Hyena that he is unable to hear his laugh. Hyena was sad. With a sad face, he went to Hippo. When he went to Hippo, he told Hippo that he has lost his laugh and he is unable to find. Hippo, he went in the water and he heard Hyena's laugh and he tried to hear Hyena's laugh. He tried to find Hyena's laugh. But he came outside the water and he told that he is unable to hear. Again, this hyena, he went to elephant and he told elephant that I have lost my laugh. Will you please help me to find my laugh? Elephant, he flapped his wings. He flapped his ears, not wings, he flapped his ears. And he told that he is unable to hear his lost laugh in the jungle. So hyena went to monkey now. He told monkey that he is unable to find his lost laugh. Okay? So, monkey, what he did? Monkey was swinging from a branch. He asked hyena, how you lost your laugh? He asked hyena, how you lost your laugh? Hyena told that when he laughed, everyone saw his big teeth. Hyena कहता है कि जब वो हंसा तो everyone saw his big teeth. everyone got scared और सभी लोग डर गए and they all ran away. When they all ran away, Hyena was sad and his laugh disappeared. Then monkey told that, oh, in this way you have lost your laugh, but you are searching your laugh at the wrong place. So what the monkey did, he took a feather and he began to tickle around the monkey's body. Hyena's body. Monkey took a feather and he began to tickle around Hyena's body. Now Hyena smiled, he became happy. Hyena smiled, he became happy. He laughed and laughed and laughed till he started rolling on the ground. When all the animals heard Hyena's laugh, they came near Hyena and monkey and they asked the monkey, how you have found his laugh? How you have found? Monkey told that the laugh was inside him. The laugh was inside him. Laugh जो है इसके अंदर ही था. हम तो केवल इसको खुश किए. I made him happy. और जो हंसी है वो बाहर निकल गई. Listening to this, ये सारी बातें सुनने के बाद सारे जानवर भी खुश हो गए और वो लोग भी मुस्कुराए, वो लोग भी हंसे, वो लोग भी तब तक हंसे जब तक कि उन लोगों का हंसते हंसते दांत न दिखने लगे. Understood? Anshik understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Story अच्छी थी. Story was nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now put your fingers and give reading. The Lost Love, page number 17. Take out. Page number 17. The Lost Love. Read out. Read out. The Lost Love. Have you read?
Yes, ma'am.
The Lost Love. Anshik, give reading. Hyena was very sad. He had lost his love. So Hyena went to Giraffe. Please help me. Find my love. Giraffe, he said. Giraffe lifted her. Anshik, you are not reading. Giraffe lifted her long neck and looked around the tree tops. I can't hear a laugh up here, Haina. She said. Then Haina saw Hippo swimming in the lake. Please help me find my love. Hippo, he said. Hippo looked in the water. I can't hear a laugh down here. She said. Haina went to elephant next. Please help me find my love. Elephant, he said. Now turn your page to page number 18. Elephant flapped his big ears. Elephant flapped his big ears and listened carefully. I can't hear your laugh. Anywhere in the jungle. Haina. Finally, Haina went to monkey. Please help me find my love. Monkey, he said. How did you lose it, Haina? How did you lose it, Haina? Asked monkey, swinging from a branch. When I laughed, everyone saw my big teeth. They got scared,
They got scared.
said Hyena.
Said Hyena.
So they ran away.
So he ran away.
This made me sad.
It made it sad.
So my laugh disappeared.
So my laugh disappeared.
Ah, then you are looking
Then you are looking
for it in the wrong places,
for it in the wrong places.
said Monkey.
Then monkey
He jumped down from the tree
jumped for the tree
and picked up a feather.
and picked the first.
Then he began to
Then it began to
tickle Hyena all over.
tickle Hyena all over.
Slowly, Hyena
Only Hyena
started to smile
started to smile
and then he let out
and then
a big loud laugh.
a big loud laugh.
He laughed and laughed
He laughed and laughed
until he was rolling
until he was rolling
around on the ground.
along on the ground.
All the other animals
All the other animals
heard Hyena's laugh.
on the hyena laughed.
They came running.
Again, again.
Where do you find his laugh?
Where do you find the laugh?
They asked Monkey.
They are asked monkey.
His laugh was
He laughs with
inside him all the time.
his side all the time.
I just made him
I just made him
happy and it
happy and it
came out.
came out.
The other animals
The animal
were happy to hear this.
was happy to her.
So they laughed and laughed
So he laughed and laughed
so that their teeth
so that he
showed too.
told too.
I will never lose
I will never lose
my laugh again,
my laugh again.
said Hyena happily.
With hyena happily.
Okay, children, now your meeting is over. So give reading to this chapter, The Lost Laugh. Okay, children, have a good day now. Bye-bye.